Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your digital marketing skills with HubSpot Academy, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, visit the HubSpot Academy website. Look for the courses section on the homepage. Explore the various categories available, such as content marketing, SEO, and social media. Select a category that interests you most. Once you're in the chosen category, browse through the list of available courses. Check the course descriptions to find ones that align with your learning goals. Click on a course that captures your attention. Take note of the course length and the skills it covers. Enroll in the course by clicking the Enroll Now button. Create a free HubSpot account if you don't have one already. Fill in your details and confirm your email address to activate your account. Return to the course you selected and resume your enrollment. Once enrolled, dive into the course content at your own pace. Pay attention to videos, readings, and practical exercises included in the curriculum. Take notes on key concepts and strategies to enhance your understanding. Engage with any quizzes or assessments provided. Use these assessments to gauge your progress. After completing the course, download any available resources and certificates. These documents can be valuable additions to your resume or LinkedIn profile. Apply what you've learned by implementing strategies in real-life projects. Consider revisiting the HubSpot Academy for advanced courses as you progress. Stay curious and keep exploring different areas of digital marketing. Join the HubSpot community to connect with other learners and professionals. Ask questions and participate in discussions to deepen your knowledge. Use HubSpot's tools and resources to practice what you learned. Regularly assess your progress and seek feedback. Consistent practice will sharpen your skills over time. Leverage HubSpot's blog and webinars for ongoing learning. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.